Keep those shriveled pieces of ginger, and they can turn into a treasure in your home before you even realize it. Hello, this is Tracy. Is there anyone here like me, buying a whole bunch of ginger, putting it in the pantry to use gradually, then forgetting about it? By the time it's pulled out, it's all dried up, wrinkled, or even sprouting. In the past, I would usually just toss them straight into the trash without a second thought. But if you've been following Tracy's channel for a while, you'll know I always find ways to turn things that seem useless into real treasures for the home. And ginger is no exception. Today, I'll reveal 5 clever ways to make use of shriveled ginger. Practical, budget-friendly, and highly effective for the whole family. Pay special attention. Tip number 3 will surprise you with how useful it is, and tip number 5 will absolutely make you want to try it right away after watching. Tip 1. Relieve colds with ginger and medicated oil. When the weather turns cold, or when the body is exposed to wind, causing a stuffy nose, headache, or icy cold hands and feet, try this remedy right away. With just a few pieces of shriveled ginger and a little medicated oil, you'll feel much better. I am truly curious. Where are you watching this video from, and what's something interesting about your country? Leave your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. After washing the ginger, slice it into thin pieces so its essence can be absorbed more easily. Next, you need to locate the Yongquan acupoint, which is the deep hollow in the center of the sole of the foot when you curl your toes. Apply a small amount of medicated oil on this spot, then gently massage with the thumb for 1 to 2 minutes to let the oil penetrate and stimulate blood circulation. Next, place 1 slice of ginger directly on the acupoint, then secure it with gauze or medical tape so that the ginger is in direct contact with the skin. Keep it in place and gently massage for a few more minutes. Finally, remember to wear socks to keep your feet warm and increase the effectiveness. You can leave it on for about 30 minutes to quickly warm the body, or keep it overnight if you want a deeper effect. This method helps warm the body starting from the feet, reduces nasal congestion and headaches, and supports blood circulation, especially useful during cold weather or when catching a draft. Tip 2. Preventing rice weevils with ginger and star anise. When rice is stored for a long time without being tightly covered, it is very easy for bugs and insects to get in. To keep the rice fragrant and free from weevil damage, you can make use of shriveled ginger combined with star anise to create a highly effective anti-weevil sachet. First, wash the ginger thoroughly and slice it into thin pieces so that the essential oil can evaporate more easily. Dried ginger usually contains a more concentrated amount of essential oil, so its antibacterial and aromatic effect is still very good and can definitely be used. Next, prepare a medical face mask by cutting off one end of the strap and use the fabric part as a small pouch. Place the sliced ginger together with a few dried star anise pods inside. Star anise not only has a pleasant fragrance, but also contains essential oil with strong insect-repelling properties. Tie the pouch tightly with a rubber band or thread to make sure the essential oils don't escape too quickly. Then, bury this ginger star anise pouch right in the middle of the rice container or bag, making sure to place it deep inside so the fragrance spreads evenly and protects the rice from within. The essential oils from ginger and star anise will help repel rice weevils and other insects, while also keeping the natural fragrance of the rice without affecting its quality when cooked. This is a safe, chemical-free, and economical method that lets you store rice for a long time with peace of mind while still keeping it as fragrant and delicious as fresh. Tip 3. Preventing water from sticking to car windows. On rainy or foggy days, windshields and rearview mirrors often get covered with water, blurring vision and creating dangerous risks while driving. To fix this quickly, all you need is one shriveled ginger root. First, cut the ginger root in half crosswise, making sure to cut at the part that is still firm, not too soft or already rotten. After that, use the cut surface of the ginger and rub it directly and evenly on the surface of the windshield, the rear view mirrors, or the side windows of the car. Be sure to focus on rubbing thoroughly in the area that lies within the driver's main line of sight, so the effectiveness will be optimized. The natural essential oils inside the ginger will form a thin film, almost completely transparent on the glass surface. This film helps raindrops or water vapor quickly gather into larger droplets and slide off immediately when the car is moving, instead of spreading in streaks and clinging to the glass. Thanks to that, your visibility will be clearly improved, especially useful when driving in light rain, in heavy fog, or on wet road sections. This is a very simple, low-cost tip, but extremely effective, without needing any specialized anti-fog or water repellent solution, and still safe and environmentally friendly. Tip 4. Ginger water for plants. Ginger is not only a familiar spice in the kitchen, but also a natural remedy that helps plants grow strong, stay green, and fight against pests. Whether fresh ginger or dried out ginger, both can be used to make a completely natural, safe, and economical plant watering solution. First, wash the ginger thoroughly to remove any dirt or sand, then slice it thinly and put it into a mortar or a blender to grind it finely. Place the ground ginger into a large bowl. Add about 1 liter of clean water and stir well. Let this mixture soak for 1 to 2 hours so that the antibacterial, antifungal compounds, and nutrients in the ginger can fully dissolve into the water. Next, use a strainer or a thin cloth to filter out the pulp, keeping only the pure ginger water. Dilute this ginger water with clean water at a ratio of 1 part ginger water to 5 parts regular water to avoid overheating or shocking the plants. Water the plants with this solution in the early morning or late afternoon, when the temperature is lower and the sunlight is not too harsh, to help the plants absorb it easily and reduce water loss. Ginger water will boost the plant's resistance, suppress harmful bacteria and fungi, and at the same time stimulate the roots to grow strong and healthy. Just applying it 1 to 2 times per week, you will see the leaves become greener, the plants less affected by pests, and they will grow sustainably without needing chemical pesticides. This is a method of plant care that is both effective and environmentally friendly, and anyone can easily do it right at home. Tip 5. Multi-purpose ginger plus baking soda solution. In addition to the previous methods, ginger can also be used to make a multi-purpose cleaning solution that not only cleans effectively, but is also safe for health and the environment. First, wash the ginger thoroughly, then slice it thinly or chop it into small pieces to increase the surface area. Place the ginger into a clean bowl or basin, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to help clean and deodorize. Next, pour boiling water into the mixture, stirring well to activate the active compounds in the ginger and baking soda. Let it soak for about 15 minutes, so the ginger essential oils and antibacterial properties are fully released. After soaking, use a strainer or a thin cloth to filter out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Pour this solution into a spray bottle with a tight lid and shake gently before each use. The ginger plus baking soda solution can be used to wipe kitchen surfaces, remove long-standing grease stains without scratching surfaces, clean faucets, kettles, and stainless steel utensils, leaving them shiny like new, or wash dishes and plates to not only eliminate unpleasant odors, but also disinfect effectively. Ginger essential oil contains gingerol, which helps fight bacteria and naturally deodorize, while baking soda neutralizes acids and breaks down the structure of stubborn stains. Combined, they create a powerful cleaning solution that is gentle on the hands and safe to use in the kitchen. With just a few readily available ingredients, you already have a complete cleaning assistant to keep the kitchen always clean, fresh, and safe for the whole family. So, I have just shared with you 5 incredibly smart and effective ways to make use of wilted ginger. From relieving colds, preventing rice weevils, repelling water on car windows, watering plants, to making a multi-purpose cleaning solution. All of them are very easy to do, safe, economical, and help turn those pieces of ginger that seemed ready to be thrown away into true treasures in the home. Hopefully, after this video, you will try applying them right away to see the difference and convenience that wilted ginger can bring. If you have other ways to make use of ginger, leave a comment to share so everyone can learn together. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on useful tips and money-saving tricks every day. Your support is truly the motivation for me to keep bringing even more helpful content.